An out-of-body experience is considered an exceptional human experience in Western psychology. This means it's so cataclysmic that it radically changes the very essence of who you are. It's the ultimate spiritual awakening. By learning astral projection, you can have out-of-body experiences that can help you with getting answers to problems, healing grief and trauma, insights to illness, releasing fears, and connecting you to realms beyond the body. This is for you if you want to take your personal and spiritual growth to the next level. 7 years ago, I had a profound out-of-body experience that changed my life. Soon after, I left a 15-year career in the arts to study a master's degree in transpersonal psychology. I flew all over the world interviewing shamans, monks, psychologists, trying to figure out how and why astral travel changes lives. So much of our suffering is attached to the physical body. When our physical body is injured, we suffer. When our sense of self is insulted, we suffer. And it's because this is all we think we are, a body and a mind. When we have an out-of-body experience, we have direct proof that we are more than our body, more than our mind, and more than our limited sense of self. In my brand new quest with Mindvalley, I am going to teach you how to activate your skill of astral projection. I have put together the most effective tools mixing Western psychology and Eastern traditions in a step-by-step manual to help you have an out-of-body experience. By the end of this quest, you will be able to activate transcendent levels of awareness through astral projection so that you can live a life more true to yourself, a life more fearless, and a life that is connected to realms beyond the body. Because we are multidimensional beings. So start living a multidimensional life. My name is Jade Shaw, and I can't wait to see you to start your astral projection journey. So join me in my Mindvalley quest.